Hey guys, this is Vince from What the Techs, and today I'll be showing you how to make a mask from different materials and see which one works the best. From recent studies, it is proven that masks help prevent from spreading viruses, but the problem we are having is that there's not many masks. So, in this video, I'll show you how to make a homemade mask from different materials and compare the efficiency of the mask. There are a lot of options, but I'll go over 7 of them to see which ones are expected to work the best. Each material was tested with 1 micron and 0.02 microns. The coronavirus, however, isn't any of those measurements. The coronavirus is 0.1 micron small. The paper towel was tested separately with different measurements. But if you're not familiar with what a micron is a unit of measurement that is equal to 1 millionth of a meter. So the first option we have is a surgical mask. The surgical mask filtered out 97% for the 1 micron test and 0.02 microns for the 87 micron test. This is already better than all the homemade masks. The first option we have is a t-shirt that is 100% cotton. This shirt caught 69% of the particles for the 1 micron test and only 51% of the particles for the 0.02 micron test. If you have a cotton blend t-shirt, it'll capture 74% of the 1 micron test and just barely less with 70% for the 0.02 micron test. The next option we have is a dish towel. On the 1 micron test, the dish towel was the second best while capturing 83% of the particles. Before the 0.02 micron test, it captured 10% less, which is 73%. It still did the second best. That means when you decide to make yours with your household materials, your best bet for the DIY face mask should be made with dish towels, and your dishes are to be air dried. The fourth option is a scarf. For the 1 micron test, it captured 62%, and for the 0.02 micron test, it captured 49%. And this is how you use a scarf to make a mask. It's simple. Just grab the scarf, put it on your mouth. You can tie it, or you can just put it around your neck. The sixth option we have is any cloth that is 100% silk. For the 1 micron test, it captured 58% and only capturing 54% for the 0.02 micron test. This one isn't good, so I don't recommend using it. The last option is a paper towel. This one wasn't tested with 1 micron and 0.02 microns. These were tested with 0.3 microns, which is 3 times the size of the coronavirus, and it was also tested with 2.5 microns, which is 25 times larger than the coronavirus. It was also tested with 1 sheet of paper and 2 sheets. For the 1 sheet 0.3 micron test, it blocked 23%, and adding an extra layer captures 10% more, up to 33%. For the 2.5 micron test, the 1 sheet captures 52%, and adding a second layer blocks 20% more, which blocks 72%. So that means when making paper towel face masks, 2 layers wouldn't help much, but it'll only make it harder to breathe. When considering what household material to make your DIY face mask with, the efficiency of filtering germs is one important factor. There is another important factor that is as crucial as that, the breathability. So in the end, I would recommend making a face mask out of a dish towel or a cotton blend t-shirt. It takes up the most particles and it's easy to breathe with. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Stay safe and healthy.